The ultimate guide to making your home smell amazing all day long. Walk into any luxury spa or five-star hotel and you'll notice something magical happens the moment you step through those doors. Your entire body relaxes as a wonderful scent wraps around you like a warm blanket. That amazing smell doesn't happen by accident, and it's not because they spend thousands on expensive air fresheners. I'm Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and right here in this video, I'm going to share the exact same professional techniques that these places use to create that incredible atmosphere. These aren't your typical household tips. These are industry secrets that most people never learn. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we share game-changing cleaning wisdom every week that will transform how you take care of your home. And if you stick around until the end, I'll reveal the one simple habit that changes everything. The secret that separates homes that smell okay from homes that smell absolutely incredible. The truth is, creating a beautifully scented home has nothing to do with your budget, the size of your house, or how much time you have for cleaning. It's about understanding the science behind scent and applying these proven professional methods.
The foundation: understanding why homes develop odors. Most people approach home fragrance completely backwards. They notice their house doesn't smell quite right, so they grab an air freshener, spray it around, and hope for the best. But that's like putting makeup on without washing your face first. You're just covering up the problem instead of solving it. Every home naturally develops odors from daily living. Cooking releases oils and particles into the air. Our bodies naturally produce moisture and oils. Pets contribute their own scents. Humidity creates conditions where bacteria and mold can develop subtle odors. Even our furniture and carpets act like giant sponges, absorbing everything in the environment. The difference between homes that always smell fresh and those that don't isn't about the presence or absence of these natural processes, it's about how we manage them. Professional cleaning services understand this fundamental principle, which is why their approach is so effective.
Secret number 1, the strategic air circulation method. Fresh air is your home's natural reset button, but most people use it wrong. Opening one window for a few minutes doesn't create the powerful air exchange that actually removes stale, odor-filled air from your living space. The professional technique is called cross-ventilation, and it works by creating a pathway for air to flow completely through your home. Choose 2 windows on opposite sides of your house, or at least in different rooms. Open both at the same time, and you'll create a current that literally sweeps the old air out while bringing fresh air in. The best time for this is early morning, when the air outside is coolest and cleanest. You only need 20 to 30 minutes to completely refresh your home's atmosphere. While the air is moving through, take advantage by shaking out couch cushions, fluffing pillows, or moving curtains. This releases trapped particles that the air current will carry away. For bathrooms without windows, open the door wide during your ventilation time and position a small fan to help air circulation reach these areas. This simple daily habit costs nothing, but makes an immediate difference in how your home smells and feels.
Secret number 2, the hidden culprit: fabric management. Your furniture, curtains, rugs, and bedding are working against you without you realizing it. These textile surfaces absorb odors from cooking, pets, body oils, and even outdoor air pollution. Even when everything looks clean, these fabrics can be releasing stale odors back into your air. Professional housekeepers know that you can't achieve lasting freshness without addressing textiles systematically. This doesn't mean washing everything weekly, but it does mean having a strategic approach. Create a textile rotation schedule. Wash throw-plow covers every 2 weeks, bed linens weekly, and curtains monthly. For items you can't wash regularly, like upholstered furniture, create a refreshing spray using equal parts water and vinegar with 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Lightly mist the fabric, then wipe with a clean, dry cloth.
Baking soda is incredibly effective for deep cleaning fabric odors. Sprinkle a thin layer on your couch cushions or area rugs, let it sit for 30 minutes, then vacuum thoroughly. The baking soda neutralizes odors that are trapped deep in the fibers. When your textiles are clean, you can use them to enhance your home's fragrance. Place small sachets filled with dried lavender inside pillowcases, or lightly spray clean curtains with a water and essential oil mixture.
Secret number 3, the vinegar transformation technique. White vinegar might seem like an unlikely hero for home fragrance, but it's actually one of the most powerful odor eliminators available. Unlike air fresheners that just cover up smells, vinegar actually breaks down the molecules that create bad odors. The key is using it strategically, not just splashing it around and hoping for the best. Fill small bowls with white vinegar and place them in problem areas overnight, behind the refrigerator, in closets, near trash cans, or in musty basements. The vinegar will absorb and neutralize odors while you sleep, and both the bad smells and the vinegar smell will be gone by morning. For immediate results, create a neutralizing spray by mixing equal parts white vinegar and water. Add 15 drops of essential oil to make it smell pleasant. This mixture works on fabric, in trash cans, on bathroom surfaces, and even inside shoes. Professional cleaners often use this technique between clients because it completely resets the scent environment of a space. It's so effective that many high-end hotels use vinegar-based solutions to ensure no traces of previous guests remain. Secret number 4, the cleaning while scenting strategy. Instead of cleaning first and then trying to add fragrance, smart homeowners build scent into every cleaning task. This approach is more efficient and creates longer-lasting results because you're layering pleasant scents as you work. Replace your regular surface cleaner with a homemade version that cleans and scents simultaneously. Mix water, white vinegar, and 15 to 20 drops of essential oil in a spray bottle. Lemon oil provides an energizing, clean scent. Lavender creates a calming atmosphere. Eucalyptus gives a spa-like feeling. When mopping floors, add a few drops of essential oil to your bucket. As you clean, the scented water covers a large surface area, and the fragrance molecules rise up and spread throughout the room. Create your own scented cleaning cloths by storing reusable microfiber cloths in a container with a mixture of water, vinegar, and essential oils. Every time you need to quickly clean something, you're also adding a pleasant scent to that surface. This method is incredibly cost-effective because you're accomplishing 2 goals with 1 action. Your home stays clean and beautifully scented without extra time or effort.
Secret number 5, the secret scent placement system. The most memorable home fragrances often come from sources you can't see. Professional scent designers know that hidden fragrance points create a more natural, sophisticated scent experience than obvious air fresheners. Cotton balls soaked with essential oils are perfect for this technique. Place them behind couch cushions, in dresser drawers, under beds, in linen closets, and even inside your vacuum cleaner bag. The fragrance releases slowly and naturally throughout the day. Create fabric sachets using small cloth bags filled with rice mixed with essential oil drops. These can go in closets, shoe racks, laundry hampers, or anywhere you want a gentle, lasting scent. The rice absorbs moisture while releasing fragrance. Take advantage of your home's air circulation system by placing scented cotton near heating or cooling vents. Every time air moves through your home, it carries the fragrance with it. This invisible approach creates what professionals call scent layering, multiple subtle fragrance sources that work together to create a complex, natural-smelling environment.
Secret number 6, the citrus energy boost method. Citrus scents have a unique psychological effect. They make spaces feel cleaner, brighter, and more energetic.
The natural oils in citrus peels contain powerful compounds that actually purify air while creating an uplifting atmosphere. Save peels from lemons, oranges, limes, and grapefruits instead of throwing them away. These peels contain concentrated essential oils that continue releasing fragrance for days after the fruit is eaten. Create a natural room spray by boiling citrus peels with cinnamon sticks and cloves. The steam fills your home with a warm, inviting scent that also has air-purifying properties. You can also place fresh peels in small decorative bowls around your home. For a longer-lasting effect, dry citrus peels and mix them with coarse sea salt or baking soda. This mixture works as a natural deodorizer in trash cans, shoe closets, or anywhere you need odor control with a fresh scent. The mood-boosting effects of citrus make this technique especially valuable in areas where you spend a lot of time, like home offices or kitchens.
Secret number 7. The Waste Management Fragrance Protocol. Trash cans are often the hidden source of persistent bad odors in homes. Even when you empty them regularly, lingering smells can contaminate your entire kitchen and spread to other areas. Professional approach starts with treating the container itself, not just changing the bag. Weekly deep cleaning with hot water, vinegar, and lemon essential oil eliminates bacteria and odor-causing residue that builds up in plastic. Create an odor prevention system by placing absorbent materials at the bottom of each trash can before inserting a new bag. A layer of newspaper, sprinkled with baking soda and a few drops of essential oil, acts as a scent filter. For small waste baskets in bathrooms or bedrooms, place a cotton ball with mint or lavender oil at the bottom. This creates a pleasant scent every time the basket is opened. Never let food waste sit overnight, especially in warm weather. The fermentation process creates strong odors that penetrate everything nearby. Taking out garbage before bed prevents this issue entirely. Secret number 8. The Natural Air Purification System. Commercial air fresheners often create more problems than they solve. They can mix with existing odors to create unpleasant combinations, and many contain chemicals that sensitive people find irritating. Natural air refreshing methods work by actually purifying the air, not just masking odors. Create your own room spray using distilled water, a small amount of ribbing alcohol, and essential oil blends. The alcohol helps the oils disperse evenly and makes the scent last longer. Essential oil diffusers provide consistent, controllable fragrance without overwhelming the space. Start with just a few drops and adjust based on your preference. You can change scents seasonally, light floral scents in spring and summer, warm spices in fall and winter. Aromatic plants serve double duty by producing oxygen while releasing natural fragrances. Lavender, rosemary, and mint are easy to grow and maintain indoors. Even if you don't have a green thumb, these hardy plants can thrive with minimal care. Simmering pots are an old-fashioned technique that works beautifully for special occasions or when you want to quickly fill your home with fragrance. Combine water with cinnamon sticks, vanilla extract, orange peels, or whole cloves.
Secret number 9. The High-Impact Zone Strategy. Certain areas of your home have disproportionate influence on how the entire space smells. These scent zones are usually the first places people notice when they enter your home, and they're also places where odors naturally accumulate. Your entryway sets the first impression for anyone visiting your home. A small reed diffuser with a welcoming scent like vanilla and sandalwood creates an immediate positive impact. You can also place a scented mat or sachets in the coat closet. Bathrooms require proactive scent management because humidity and confined spaces can quickly develop unpleasant odors. A mixture of baking soda and essential oil placed discreetly behind the toilet or on a shelf works continuously to neutralize odors. Regular use of scented cleaning solutions on all surfaces prevents problems before they start. Kitchen scent control focuses on immediate action after cooking strong-smelling foods. Boiling citrus peels and spices immediately after cooking fish, garlic, or onions neutralizes lingering cooking odors before they spread. Bedroom closets benefit from regular scent maintenance because clothing absorbs odors from daily wear. Bars of naturally scented soap placed on shelves or scented sachets among clothes keep everything smelling fresh.
Secret number 10. The nighttime scent renewal routine. Overnight hours are perfect for deep scent conditioning because your home is quiet, settled, and undisturbed. Professional scent specialists take advantage of this calm period to refresh and renew the fragrant atmosphere. Begin with a brief evening ventilation, just 5 minutes of fresh air exchange before closing windows for the night. This clears the day's accumulated odors and creates a clean foundation for overnight scenting. Bedroom scenting should focus on relaxation and sleep quality. A light mist of lavender and chamomile water on bed linens promotes restful sleep while leaving a gentle fragrance. Essential oil diffusers with timer functions can run for the first hour of sleep without overwhelming the space. Scented sachets placed inside or under pillows release fragrance gradually throughout the night as body heat activates the oils. Use calming scents like vanilla, sandalwood, or rose. A dimly lit scented candle for 10 to 15 minutes before bedtime creates a relaxing ritual while adding deep, lasting fragrance to the room. Always extinguish candles before sleeping, but the scent will continue to enhance the space for hours afterwards.
The game-changing habit that transforms everything. The secret to creating a beautifully scented home isn't about expensive products or occasional deep cleaning marathons. It comes down to one game-changing habit: consistency. Small daily actions, when practiced regularly, make the difference between homes that always feel fresh and those that constantly struggle with lingering odors. Instead of trying to do everything at once, the most effective approach is to choose 2 or 3 simple techniques that fit naturally into your routine. A quick 5-minute daily ventilation, a weekly refresh of textiles, and the strategic placement of natural scent sources often achieve more than sporadic big efforts. This habit works because of the compound effect. Each day's small steps build on the last, gradually reshaping your home's entire scent profile. After just 2 weeks of consistency, you'll notice your space naturally smells fresher, even without active scenting. Once you've built this foundation, you can begin tailoring your approach to different seasons and personal needs. Light, citrusy, or mint-based fragrances bring energy in summer, while richer notes of vanilla, cinnamon, or pine add cozy warmth in winter. Every household is unique, and customizing your approach matters. Families with pets need gentler, fabric-focused methods. Homes with teenagers may require extra attention to laundry rooms and bedrooms, while older houses with carpeting might demand more frequent deep cleaning paired with essential oils. The key is proactive care, addressing issues before they become problems. Consistency doesn't have to mean expensive. Essential oils, though an initial investment, last for months. Everyday items like baking soda, vinegar, citrus peels, and herb clippings make affordable natural alternatives to chemical-based products. In fact, one of the costliest mistakes is purchasing too many commercial air fresheners that mask problems without addressing root causes. You'll know your efforts are working when visitors begin commenting on how fresh your home smells. More importantly, you'll feel it yourself, walking in, breathing deeply, and instantly feeling more relaxed in your own sanctuary. That sense of natural comfort is the true measure of success. Remember, every professional tip you've learned started as someone's simple daily habit. The difference between wishing for a fresh-smelling home and actually having one lies in taking that first step. Begin with 1 or 2 small actions today, make them part of your routine, and watch how your home transforms, breath by breath.